Good morning friends and namaskar. Myself Mahesh Rajendra Sathe. I am assistant teacher at I Sahib Shalini Jain Natalkar Primary Vidya Mandir, Nandurbar. Dear friends, I hope you are enjoying our Natalkar e-class. Today we are going to discuss about after and before number of standard 3rd, page number 11. Let's we start. Page number 11, activity number 1st. Read the number in the number strip below. म्हणजे जे काही 11 पेज नंबर 11 वर दिलेले अंक आहेत ते आपल्याला वाचायचे आहेत. मी वाचतो, तुम्ही रिपीट करा. ओके. 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. The second number strip is 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 399, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410. We as I read, you also repeat it after me. I know very well. After that, the second number activity is given on page number 11 is that with the help of the number strip above, write the next number. आपण वरती जे अंक पाहिले त्या अंकांच्या पुढचे अंक आता आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत. सेकंड नंबर ऍक्टिव्हिटी. ओके. The first number is 105 means 105. Which number comes after 105? Look at the strip. Which number comes? Very good. After 105, the next number is 106 means 106. The second number 220. Look at the strip. Where is 220? Very nice. After 220, which number comes? 221. Very good. This is the answer. The last 219. Can you show me where is the 219? Very good. This is the 219 and which number comes after 219? Nice. 220. This is our answer. Activity number 3. With the help of number strip above, write the number just before. म्हणजे जो अंक आहे त्याचा आधीचा अंक आता आपल्याला लिहायचा आहे. ते सुद्धा आपल्याला वरचे जे स्ट्रिप दिलेले आहेत त्याच्या मदतीने. ओके. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन त्याच्यातला 400 इज गिवन. दिस 400 नंबर इज गिवन. व्हिच नंबर कम्स बिफोर 400? लुक ॲट द स्ट्रिप. नाइस. बिफोर 400 द नंबर कम्स 399 इज द परफेक्ट आंसर. सेकंड 107 means 107. Can you show me where is the 107? Very good. 107. Which number before the 107? Very nice. 106 is the correct answer means 106. The third number 218. Can you show me where is 218? Nice. Before the 218 we can see here 217 is just before the number. This is the perfect answer. Question number 4. 110. 110. You can see here 110. Before 110 there is a 109 means 109 is the perfect answer. We are going to discuss about 4 number activity. With the help of number strip above, write the number just before and after. आता जो नंबर दिलेला आहे त्याचा आधीचा आणि त्याचा नंतरचा हे दोन अंक आता आपल्याला शोधायचे आहेत विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्ट्रिप. या स्ट्रिपच्या मदतीने, अंकांच्या स्ट्रिपच्या मदतीने. ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 217. Can you show me where is the 217? Very nice. 217. You can also see that before 217 there is a 216 and after 217 there is a 218. These both are the answers of our questions. Second number, there is 100. Before 100 there is a box. After 100 there is also box, and we have to fill the correct number in this box. So you can see that 100. Before the 100 there is a 99. You can fill before the 99. After 100 there is a 101. These both numbers you have to write in this boxes. The third question is 409. Very good. You can see here in number string, before the 409 there is a 408 number, and after 409 there is a 410. These two answers you have to write in this box. Very good. Question number 5 means activity number 5. By how much is the next number bigger than a given number? याचा अर्थ असा होतो की जे दिलेले नंबर आहेत तो येणारा जो पुढचा नंबर आहे तो कितीने मोठा आहे बरं? As you know, 100, 101 means is number increased by 1. If you take 101, after 101 which number comes? 102 means number is again increased by 1, means every number is increased by 1. That is why our answer is 1. You can write 1 in that box. Question number 6. By how much is the number just before a given number smaller than given number? म्हणजे दिलेला जो अंक आहे याचा आधीचा अंक जो आहे तो कितीने छोटा आहे बरं? As you know, here look at in this strip 99, 100, 101. If you consider these three numbers, 101, the before 101 there is 100, means little bit one number is only difference between there, and 100 difference between 199 there is also one digit, one number is difference between 100 and 99. In this way you can write down the 1 is the answer. Activity number 7. What is the number we get by adding 1 to 435? 435 या अंकामध्ये एक जर ऍड केला तर काय मिळेल? As you know, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना उत्तर येतच असतील. 435 if you add 1 we get answer 436. Very nice. Activity number 8. What is the number we get by taking away 1 from just off? Activity number 8. It's very simple activity for you. See the activity number 8. What is the number we get by taking away 1 from 435? It's very simple. मित्रांनो पास होतंय 435 या अंकामधून -1 जर केला उत्तर काय येणार? As you know very well, 434 is the correct answer of this question. Now let us go on the page number on the same page. The question number is 9. Read. I am reading. You also repeat after me. Write the number just before and the just number after. म्हणजे दिलेला जो अंक आहे तो आधीचा आणि नंतरचा घ्यायचा आहे. ओके. And we have a special example already given on your textbook. Just 118, 119, 120. Okay. Here is the number 119 before 118, after 120. Okay. Look at the 200. 200 is a number. Which number comes before 200? Who will tell me? Guess. Very good. You get before 200. The answer is 199, and after 200 the answer is 201. This is a perfect answer. Very good. Next question number 3. 391. Can you tell me which number comes before 391? Very nice. 390 is the perfect answer. After 391 which number comes? Very good. 392. अशा प्रकारे हे दोघे उत्तर आपल्याला मिळालेले आहेत. Question number 4. 599. Can you tell me which number comes before 599? Very good. Nice. Before 599 is the number 598 is the perfect answer, and after 599 there is a 600 is the answer. Very good. Question number 5. 800. Which number comes before 800? Good. 799 is the answer. Very nice. And which number comes after 800? As you know, 801 means 801 is the answer. Very good. Last question. 707. Can you tell me which number comes before? 706 means 706 is the answer. Very good. And next, which number comes after 707? 708 means 708 is the perfect answer. Very good. Activity number 10. Write any 3 numbers that come after the given number. म्हणजे दिलेल्या अंकाच्या नंतर येणारा असे 3 अंक तुम्हाला लिहायचे आहेत, परंतु कोणतेही लिहायचे तुम्हाला, कोणतेही चालतील, क्रमाने यायला पाहिजे असं नाही. 399 आहे तर 400 यायला पाहिजे असाही विषय नाहीये. एक्झाम्पल म्हणून तुम्हाला दिलेलं आहे बघा पुस्तकात बघा, 555 नंतर 556 यायला पाहिजे, पण एक्झाम्पल मध्ये दिलं त्यांची मर्जी. दे 600 इज गिवन, वी हॅव टू ऍक्सेप्ट इट. देयर इज 650, 600 नंतर 601 यायला पाहिजे, 650, कारण की तुम्हाला सूचना अशी दिलेली आहे की एनी नंबर लिहायचे. ओके, तर आपण जाऊया उत्तराकडे. 399 पुढचे जे अंक असतील ते तुम्ही कोणते करू शकता, पण मी भरतो त्याच्यामध्ये. ओके, 400, 400, 500, 600. तुम्हाला वाटले तर तुम्ही वेगळे अंक भरू शकता. दिस इज द आन्सर. नेक्स्ट, 11 नंबर ऍक्टिव्हिटी. राईट एनी 3 नंबर्स दॅट कम बिफोर द गिवन नंबर. जो दिलेला अंक आहे त्याच्या आधी तुम्ही कोणतेही 3 अंक नंबर्स लिहू शकता. Example is already given on your textbook, page number 11. 500. Before 500, we know very well which number comes. 499. But already is given 407, 312, 99 are the given here because already question is mentioned any 3 numbers. Means you can write here 601. Which number comes before 601? As you know, you can write down 600. You can write down which number is little bit small from 600. 500, very good, you can fill here, and 400. Is that clear? So friends, I hope you are enjoying and we are also enjoying. Today we learn the activity of page number 11. After next topic we will discuss on another topic. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.